Are you looking to upgrade your kitchen in 2026? Whether you're replacing an outdated oven or building your dream cooking space, choosing the right model can completely change how you cook every day. At Town Appliance, we help homeowners find appliances that fit their needs from the world's most trusted brands, with expert guidance, competitive pricing, and decades of experience helping customers create kitchens they love. Today, we're breaking down the top ovens of 2026 from GE Appliances, Miele, and Bosch, so you can find the perfect fit for your home. Let's get into it. What's new in 2026 ovens? Modern ovens have come a long way. The best models of 2026 now offer more precise temperature control, faster preheating, improved convection airflow for even cooking, better insulation for consistent heat retention, smart controls through mobile apps, easier navigation with upgraded touch interfaces. That means fewer burnt edges, fewer undercooked centers, and more reliable results whether you're baking cookies or roasting dinner. Before we begin, keep in mind that the best oven really depends on your cooking style, kitchen space, and budget. These models were selected based on customer feedback, popular demand, standout features, performance, and reputation among shoppers. The best model for your home may be something different based on your specific needs. If you'd like personalized guidance before buying, the team at Town Appliance is always here to help. Best ovens of 2026. Number 1. GE Profile 30-inch Smart Built-in Convection Double Wall Oven with no preheat air fry and precision cooking. If you need space and flexibility, this is a standout choice. This model features 2 full-size oven cavities, making it perfect for large households, holiday cooking, or anyone who regularly prepares multiple dishes at once. Why people love it? It has dual oven convenience, strong heat consistency, great baking and roasting performance, sleek stainless steel design, best for families, entertainers, and serious home cooks. Number 2. GE Smart Built-in Self-Clean Convection Single Wall Oven with no preheat air fry. Want strong, everyday performance without stepping into luxury pricing? This oven delivers excellent value with dependable convection cooking and simple controls. Highlights include even heat circulation, user-friendly controls, durable stainless finish, great for daily meals and weekend baking. Best for homeowners who want reliability and value. Number 3. Miele Double Oven in a combinable design with wireless precision probe. If precision matters most, this Miele oven is a premium option worth serious attention. Miele is known for engineering excellence, and this oven is built for cooks who want total control. It's designed for precise temperature control, advanced cooking programs, multi-rack baking consistency, premium materials, and craftsmanship. Perfect for passionate bakers and advanced home chefs. Number 4. Bosch Single Wall Oven 30 inches stainless steel. For dependable long-term performance, this Bosch oven is a strong contender. Bosch combines clean design with excellent convection technology. Why it stands out? Even heat distribution, reliable roasting and baking results, durable construction, and it has a clean, modern appearance. Best for homeowners who value consistency and durability. How to choose the right oven. Here's a quick way to narrow it down. Choose a double oven if you cook multiple dishes often. Choose strong convection if baking is a priority. Choose premium precision if you love advanced cooking control. Choose simplicity and value if you need an everyday workhorse. And always make sure measurements, electrical requirements, and installation space are correct before buying. That's where Town Appliance can help. Why shop with Town Appliance? At Town Appliance, we make appliance shopping easier. Our team helps customers compare models, understand features, plan installation needs, and choose appliances that truly fit their lifestyle. Whether you're shopping for one oven or a full kitchen, we're here to help you make the right choice. Ready to upgrade your kitchen with one of the best ovens of 2026? Visit Town Appliance today at townappliance.com and explore top models from GE Appliances, Miele, Bosch, and more. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more appliance guides, buying tips, and kitchen inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.